Hey guys, today I received these open comfort earphones for reviewing purposes, and I think that they are nice because they aren't like regular earbuds that you place them inside your ear. They sit outside, and I think that it's nice. We get the user manual with all the important information, all the overview, how to charge it, and everything, how to pair it. I think that it's nice. I'm gonna leave it here. Okay. Matters needing attention that you need to adjust it to your own style. That's nice because that way you get a little bit more comfort by adjusting them. And as you can see, it has this really interesting case design. Okay, to see the very percentage, you see it through the screen right here, and you get this hole so you can place a lace through it, so you can have it hanging or anything. And it uses USB Type C charging cable. Okay, which we get right here. USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. And these are the main units. We are gonna take it out. Okay, as you can see, it has this open ear design. You just have to place them, adjust them however you need them, and feel more comfortable. For me, it's like that on this side, this other one like this. Okay, to pair them up, we're gonna go into our cell phone's Bluetooth options and connect them. Okay, now I have them connected. They feel nice. They feel really comfortable. I think that they are perfect for doing some outdoor sports. And what I think that it's nice is that they look really nice. They have a really modern look. Okay, so let's test them out. Okay, they have a really nice sound quality, which I think that it's great. And another function that I think that is nice is that you can adjust or pause the music by using the buttons depending on how you're using it. You can click twice to go to the next song depending of which earbud you are using, or you can adjust the equalizer of the earbuds, which I think that it's really nice having that option to change it however you like it. You can even use them to read some calls, answer them, and them or anything. And obviously you get the voice assistant of your phone, albeit Siri or whichever voice assistant you have. You can get them upon your earbuds by pressing it 3 times, which I think that it's really nice. Overall, because they have a really nice sound quality, I will really recommend them. They are really comfortable. You can use them, as I've said, when you're doing some outdoors activities, and as they are open earbuds, you can listen all your surroundings like regular, which I think that is really nice. Overall, as I've said, they are great, and I will really recommend them. See you guys.